Hi everybody, today we're going to be working on the I can statement. I can identify proportional relationships from a graph. So you can see we have a table here with students and homework, and we are going to graph these points in our table to decide if this is a proportional relationship or not. My students are always, the first column is always the X column. So I'm just going to label that here, X. Students are X. There's my X, and homework is Y. It's a little sloppy, but you get the idea. Students are my X values, homework is the Y. I'm going to graph my first point. One student is 3 homework. So I go over 1 on the X, and then I go up 3, and I'm going to make my point. Check it off. My next point is 2 students with 6 homework. So I go over to 2 on the X, and up to 6 on the Y. Check it off. My next point is 4 students are 12 homeworks. Go up to 12, over to 4, up to 12. There's my point. My next point is 5, 15, over to 5, up to 15. Make my dot. Over to 6, up 18, and I'll make my last point. Now, all I have are a bunch of dots right now. We have 2 things that we always have to check for if a graph is proportional. So the first thing is, will this graph go through the origin? And you might remember that the origin is 0, 0, the point 0, 0. The second thing we have to check for, is it a straight line? Okay, so I'm going to try to connect my points the best I can. If you have this in front of you on a piece of paper, you could use a ruler and it's a lot easier to see. But with my computer, I can't really use a ruler. So I'm just going to do my best. I'm going to connect all my points. Okay, there we go. It looks like it's a pretty straight line. So I'm going to check that number 2 off. It is a straight line. And then let's continue it on to see if it will go through 0, 0. 0, 0 is right here. It does go through 0, 0. So this is a proportional graph. Now, if our line was crooked or if we had a point, off to the side here, that would be not proportional. Or if it was a line that didn't go through that 0, 0, even if it was straight, that is not proportional. For our final answer for this one, we do ask that you do an explanation. So you could say this is proportional because it is a straight line through the origin. I'll just write that out for you, straight line through 0, 0. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great day.